What's going on YouTube? Just right here. So Apple just released the iOS 27 developer beta. So it's just after the WWDC 26 event and we have the beta now available. And yes, this will be a nice iOS version because this time around they focused a lot on making the iOS better rather than making it more flashy. In fact, one of the biggest things that has changed in iOS 27, besides all the new talk about Siri AI, which is not even available in Europe, and AI stuff, is the fact that you can finally fine-tune the new iOS Glass UI, which is basically what people were hoping for all along. So now there is officially a slider for the Glass UI intensity so that you can make it more frosted, more tinted, or you can make it clear if you want that as well. Now, if you want to get the iOS 27 preview, which is now the beta 1, you can do so, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So right on your device, by the way, they did not drop support for any of the devices. If your device runs iOS 26, it can run 27 as well. Yes, even iPhone 11. All you have to do is to make sure that you have at least the developer application installed. You can get it from the App Store, and you install the Apple developer application, which is this one over here. You install it and you just log in with your Apple ID. That's all you need to do. And then you restart your device. After you restart your device, you can go here on your device on General and then on Software Update. And in here, you should now be able to see, besides the automatic updates and the iOS is up to date, you should also see beta updates. You tap on here and now, as you can see, you do have iOS 26 developer beta, but also iOS 27 developer beta, which was just released a couple of minutes ago at the time I'm making this video. And yes, if you go back, now you can start installing the iOS 27 developer beta, and you're going to have to agree with the terms and conditions, of course, and then it will start downloading. You might experience higher download times because everybody's trying to download it at the moment, but it will get the update and it will slowly start installing it on your phone. And of course, it installs like any other iOS version. Once it downloads and verifies, your device will reboot. It will get into the installation phase, and then you will have iOS 27 beta. This is definitely a big change forward, especially because Apple is truly trying to innovate on the performance side of iOS this time around, rather than just flashy UIs and features that nobody asked for. What did matter to me in this keynote this time around is that they're fixing the bugs, the UI bugs. Even on macOS, they're toning down the horrendous corner designs over here. They're toning down the Glass UI so that you can finally get a slider and move it depending on how you prefer it. And there is, of course, a lot of talk about privacy, especially for kids, better control for parents, and of course, other helpful features, including the ability to edit photos and reframe them using AI. But really, the important part is that you're getting much better performance, where on many things, it's up to 30% faster, like app launches and showing the new photos in the library and so on. Apple is really taking an important step towards much better and much faster iOS rather than much flashier iOS. So yes, if you want to get the update, that's how you do it. You can see it's downloading in the background for my device. Now, you should keep in mind that this is beta 1 and this is intended for developers, so there will be bugs, lots of them. And the final version for the general public will be available only in the fall. The public beta will be available next month as well, and this one is the developer beta, so this will definitely be buggy. It's intended for developers so that they can update their applications before the public beta drops. Anyway, that's how you get it. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. This video is brought to you by ReiBoot, a software that allows you to easily downgrade from iOS 27 back to iOS 26 with one click if that's what you need, and also fix various iOS issues. Thank you for watching. I am GSNow. Peace out.